In this video, I want to tell you about the reciprocal fraction. Reciprocal is mean the inverse position of numerator and denominator. You got here is reciprocal fraction. The first example about the reciprocal expression is a over b, and you want to convert this become to the reciprocal. You got b over a like this. And another one, you will have a over c, and I want to make it become to the reciprocal. It's very easy. You change position of a and c from the numerator, it's become to the denominator, and denominator become to the numerator like this. Yeah. So this is very easily because you got the very clear numerator and denominator. But for the next one, you got the integer like 5. So how can you convert this one become to the reciprocal 1 over 5? You should understand more clearly about the integer. The integer is mean 5. So 5 here, I want to change that become to the fraction. This means 5 over 1. So from 5 over 1, you understand now the numerator is 5 and the denominator is 1. It will be the change position, change their position. 1 over 5 in here, so that's why you got the 1 over 5 is the inverse function, reciprocal of 5. The same thing for 7, you got 7, so its reciprocal is 1 over 7 like this. Yeah, that is not too difficult, but I think the complicated fraction is will be more little harder. Example, you got a times b over c like this. So what is the reciprocal of this one? Yeah, a lot of my students have mistake about this is say c times b over a like this, or some people will tell you that a equal to c over b like here. No, this is incorrect answer. This is also be incorrect answer. So what is the right answer for this reciprocal? A times b is numerator and c here is denominator. So when I want to take reciprocal, it means c will become to the numerator like here, and a and b will be the denominator, it means the bottom position, and c will be the top position. Yeah. So another example, 5 a times b and 5 times m like this. So you have to change own position of numerator and denominator. This is not a and 5, this is not b and m, they have to be own. So I will have 5 times m, and then you got a times b like this. You got a times b like this one. Okay, so for the reciprocal, you will have application, especially about the division. I have this division, 5 divided by 3 over 2. So 5 divided by 3 over 2 is mean 5 times reciprocal of 2 over 3. Of 3 over 2 is mean multiply 2 over 3. So divide is mean you will take times of is reciprocal. 7 over 3 divided by 4 over 5 like this. You will got 7 over 3 times 5 over 4. Times 5 over 4. Okay, so another application about the reciprocal is in about the surf or exponent or indices, but I will tell you about that later. So for this video, I want to practice more about the reciprocal. How can you find the reciprocal of a times b times m like this, and over c times d here? So what is the reciprocal of this one? You will got c times d in this position, and then you got a times b times m in here. So you should not write down like c times b times m over a times d. Yeah, this is only change position about the a and c and a, but you keep it unchanged for b, m and d here. So this is incorrect answer. It have to be C times this over A times B times M like this one. Yeah, that is totally about the reciprocal, all information you need to know. So thank you so much for watching about this video, and don't forget about the reciprocal. This is very important about the next topic. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.